everyone. Welcome to Fayette Regional Health Talk. I'm Doug Fischesser.
And I'm Charity Moore. Thanks for joining us. For those of you joining us for the first time, Health Talk is made possible by TV3 and Fayette Regional Health System. This is a chance for viewers in the Whitewater Valley to get a closer look each month at specific health and wellness topics that affect each of us every day.
And Fayette Regional Health Talk is also your source for up-to-date health news and events that are important to Connersville, Fayette County, and the entire Whitewater Valley. Leading this edition of Health Talk is the announcement by Fayette Regional Health System that they are still offering free and reduced mammograms for qualifying participants through the 2013 grant awarded to us by the Indiana Breast Cancer Awareness Trust.
That's right, Doug. This program is funded through mammograms for uninsured and uninsured women in Fayette, Franklin, Rush, and Union counties. Fayette Regional recognizes the increasing need for community members to have access to educational information and preventative screenings related to breast cancer. This grant makes both of those possible. Fayette Regional will offer free digital mammography screenings to women who are over the age of 35 living within our 4-county service area with no medical insurance and no access to this service. Fayette Regional also provides supporting educational information about mammography and early detection methods. In addition, Fayette Regional continues to participate in several cancer awareness events in October throughout the year. These events raise awareness and funds that stay right here in our area. During the month of October, Fayette Regional will offer mammograms for just $125 as part of its continuing efforts to make this important screening available to everyone. To learn more about the Fayette Regional Mammogram Program, call 765-827-7703.
In other news, the Office of Healthy Women OBGYN has a new location. Dr. John Landry and Dr. Amy Wynn and their staff are now located at 3542 Western Avenue in Connersville, just next to the HealthWorks Fitness. The doctors and staff are excited to offer this newly renovated facility to their patients. Call 825-0538 for more information.
And as always, Fayette Regional is proud to sponsor and take part in several upcoming events. First, we have 2 breast cancer awareness fundraising events. The first one is the Fayette County Cancer Society's Pretty in Pink Pajama Party, which is this Saturday, October the 12th, from 6 to 10 p.m. at the Miller Building in Roberts Park. This will be a fun evening filled with food, fun, facials, and much more. Franklin County will also host its own Pink Pajama Party, which will be next Saturday, October 19th, from 7 to 11 p.m. at the Schilling Center in Brookville.
The public is invited to a reception to meet Dr. John Landry, Dr. Amy Wynn, and the staff at Healthy Women OBGYN. The reception is Wednesday, October 16th from noon to 1 p.m. in the Fayette Regional Hospital atrium. October 29th, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m., Fayette Regional and Dr. Burke Chager will host a cosmetic enhancement seminar with refreshments and special promotions available. Call to reserve your seat.
In Fayette Regional, Home Health and Hospice Annual Memorial Service will be held Thursday, November 7th at 7 p.m. at the Growing Branches Christ Church. All are welcome. Please be sure to RSVP. And finally, Fayette Regional is hosting 2 more special events. The first is a reception honoring the opening of the new Jerry Sykes Services Wing at the Fayette Regional Care Pavilion and will be held on Thursday, October 17th from 4 to 6 p.m. The Fayette Regional Jerry Sykes Services Unit is the area's most up-to-date senior behavioral health facility. The public is invited to attend this ribbon-cutting ceremony and reception. The second is Fayette Regional's annual health fair that will be held Saturday, November 2nd from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. in the Miller Building at Roberts Park, with free health screens and more. But we'll talk about that later in the show.
When we return, our guest will be in the studio to tell us a bit more about the new Jerry Sykes services at the Fayette Regional Care Pavilion.
Fayette Regional is proud to welcome Dr. Amy Wynn to our Healthy Women OBGYN staff of physicians. Joining Dr. John Landry, Amy will be providing outstanding OBGYN services to the women of Fayette County and the Whitewater Valley. Visit their offices at 3542 Western Avenue or give them a call at 765-825-0538 to set up an appointment. Great care is right here at Fayette Regional.
Welcome back. Earlier this month, the Jerry Psych Services Wing at Fayette Regional Care Pavilion opened. Joining us today are Tammy Dowd, Business Development Director, and Jessica Couch, Nurse Manager from the Jerry Psych Service Unit. Welcome to Health Talk, ladies.
Thank you.
Tammy, you were with us last month, and you had announced that the opening of these services. Can you tell us a little bit more about that, and how's that going?
I would love to. The facility is amazing. We are so pleased with the way the building has turned out. Fayette Regional broke ground in spring of this year, and it's a nearly 8,000 square foot facility.
Oh, wow.
It has 12 private rooms, and a large dining room, a spacious quiet room for private counseling, a large patio, and our patients really enjoy going out to the patio area. Plus, the new addition, it incorporates several high energy efficient systems and a state-of-the-art security system.
Oh, wow, that sounds really impressive.
It's wonderful.
What was one of the reasons behind developing this type of a unit here in Connersville?
According to the National Institute on Aging, today there are more than 6 million Americans 85 years and older. And that number is expected to more than triple by the year 2050. In addition, mental illness affects 1 out of every 5 American adults. And Fayette Regional saw the need and decided to answer the call to our aging population.
Oh, okay. Well, what are some of the features that we have at the new Jerry Psych unit?
The senior care unit is a medically managed inpatient unit providing 24-hour intensive coordinated therapeutic care to our seniors in crisis that may be needing behavioral stabilization. And along with meeting the needs of our senior community, Fayette Regional is proud to have created and maintained jobs throughout this entire process. From the 23 new staff positions at the hospital, the contracted workers, all have taken part in this development. It's had a huge impact in our community. We're also very pleased that we're able to save local families time and money by eliminating the travel to other facilities.
That's a really awesome thing there. Who are the patients that are treated at the new Jerry Psych unit, Jessica?
Well, at the new unit, we are treating seniors who may be dealing with a whole gamut of issues, physical, social, emotional, and or mental issues that are related to aging. This includes those suffering from something as common as depression, but even as complicated as dementia with significant behavioral changes.
Okay. Tammy, you had mentioned the number of staff that was hired for this new unit. Jessica, can you tell us a little bit more about them?
Absolutely. We are very blessed to have Dr. Osman, who is out of Indianapolis. He is our medical director and board-certified psychiatrist with extensive geriatric experience. He brings along to the team a team of nurse practitioners who are also highly skilled in the geriatrics. An activity therapist who provides therapy on the unit, music therapy, art therapy. She's phenomenal. Also other trained teams of professionals. We do staff with highly skilled registered nurses that have various backgrounds from medical surg nursing to ICU, emergency room nursing. With that as well, psychiatric nursing. We know how to safely treat those seniors and effectively prescribe the medications for them. We use an interdisciplinary team approach that ensures that all aspects of the patient's needs are met.
Can you tell us a little bit more about that interdisciplinary team and explain like who and what is involved in that?
Absolutely. In healthcare, the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, they regulate many things and they dictate, but they are dictating that each patient must have an individual comprehensive treatment plan that must be based on a patient's inventory of strengths and disabilities. This plan has got multiple components. It includes a substantiated psychiatric diagnosis, short-term goals, long-term goals, the specific treatment modalities that will be used on the unit.